first skill, Gatling gun. Sorry for the lag. Shoots a beam, purple beam. Good. You can also beam clash with this, just like Goku's one. This also block breaks. You guys did not know that. Dirty fireworks. This one was kind of like legit says dirty fireworks. It's kind of like a dirty move. So you basically put your fist up. This is blockable. It does good damage, I'd say, but it is blockable. And if they get you lacking from a good distance and they block, yeah, I'd go for the other variant. I'll talk about that later. All right, super dash kick. This is gonna be your combo starter for most of the moves. This, if you miss it, they could punish you, but most of the time, if you angle it right, they can't punish you. So yeah, this also block breaks. This is a good combo starter move. Finish breaker, like it says, I think you should use this at like the end of combos or the start in neutral, just because like look, really lag. Yeah, Shen's basically a bunch of key blasts. Those pretty good damage. Probably want to use this up close. Yeah. Okay, and then power rush here. All right. So the combo that I would go for would be something like this. Oh yeah, shoot, I forgot. Dirty Fireworks also has another variant. I don't know if you're done real quick. Alright. Dirty Fireworks also has another variant. If you're M1 someone, then use it. There's like a slash, big beam, you can combo extend off that. So yeah, that's a combo extender. So I recommend going for this variant if you don't want to hit Dirty Fireworks, or if the opponent knows how to block Dirty Fireworks, go for this one most of the time. So the combo that you should be doing, or that I suggest, 4-on-1s, Genocide Breaker, into Gatling Gun. Oops. Yeah, you could do something like that, or you could just try to up tilt like this. Oops. Anyways, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, this dummy's teleporting, but so you would want to do 4-on-1s like this. Boom, Genocide Breaker. You could take him in the air if you want. And then Gatling Gun, then you could hit him with the fourth move in neutral, but I wouldn't really do that. Okay, and now for his mode. This is grade 8 Vegeta, so, gives it a big monkey, just like myself. Holy, where's his head, bro? Okay. Alright, it's pretty broken, I'm gonna be honest. He doesn't have any dashes. First thing to tell you, retreat. His power rush becomes into a retreat, it backs up. I should just suggest using this backwards so you can get close to the enemy. Doesn't do any damage though. M1s. Big AoE at the end. First one, Mouth Blast, just like a beam, big beam. You can't aim it, so be careful. 2, Simulant Slam. You go in the air, if you press 2 again, you can control where you land, or after a bit, it will just land automatically. 3, Primal Rampage. It does a rampage, just leave it, and it will grab by the tail and smash. 4th move, Galaxy Breaker. Like, I don't know what this is, a big beam, then yeah. The combo that you want to do, there really isn't any combos. Just use your 1, or just use your 3 into your 4, then into your 1, then into your 2. Then you'd probably use this, and then try to trace him down, then press it again, then boom. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna go do some ranked matches. Hopefully we win them. I'm not the best at the game, but yeah. I was gonna do ranked matches, but then I was like, alright, let me hop on with my friend real quick. So I'm just gonna do a match with my friend. Alright, he's right there. Now slam, bang. Holy lag, bro. Use that as a combo extender. Yep, like I just showed you guys. Into this. I don't know what the heck happened there. I think yeah, you gotta be fast with the Gatling gun, by the way, or else they can get out of it. So I just like down slam into it. I think it's safer to do, Oh shoot! Oh, I wasted my evasive. Neutral. I try to use remove my mistake, free damage. If I can hit that, nope. See, they can never punish you off the super kick. Yep, these guys should be there now. Yep. First 4 stocks. My friend hasn't touched Deku in a while, so he's in that good with Deku, but he's still a pretty good player, I'm gonna be honest. Not better than me, of course. No one can beat me. Alright, let me lock in. Bruh. I just try to use dirty fireworks? Yep. If you know, when you're fighting someone and you realize that they don't really block dirty fireworks, abuse it. Ah, dang it. Abuse it. Dirty fireworks. Be evasive. Good thing I didn't use move. Oh, I hate that move, man. Throw it out raw. Yep. Tried him with this. Nope. He could have punished me there, but he was just too slow. Aw, dang it. Aw, did I just waste my evasive, man? What the heck? Throw this out neutral. Dang it. Ah. Should I use Jenna? No, I didn't have it on cooldown. I'm gonna try to hit this real quick. Nope. Should be dead here. Nope. See? Throw it out in neutral. It's still pretty good, but you won't get as much damage. If I could get mode here, then I could potentially hit me. Ah, oh, dang it. I still got this though. No one can beat me. Can't wait to go monkey mode on this man. Oh, he made a mistake. I didn't want to really. I thought he had it. I didn't really want to use a combo there. He would have had to use it. Probably had his evasive, my bad. Yo. What's the stocks? Oh, okay. What the heck? Okay. Let me look in. Like I said, my friend's actually pretty good. I'm perfect though. The update's coming out tomorrow. I really hope this Vegeta needs a nerf for sure. For sure he needs a nerf. See? Dirty fireworks. Alright. I'll mode on this guy real quick. Monkey mode time. Oh shoot. This might go right. Dang it. Come on. Nice. Evasive. Nice. Ah, this is bad. Such a big target, man. Nice. I'll use a slam. Predict them. Here. Yup. Here. Come on. Can't lose to this man. Yup. He didn't expect that. What the heck? How'd he teleport? No. Die, man. Come on, man. Yes! Vegeta for the win.